Hello guys, this is Angela from WODWIN. Today Angela wants to show you how this camera works. This is our SDI cameras. The model is WIN-J40AS 20x optic zoom. Now let's go to the showing room. Now we are in the showing room. First, you should find the HDMI cable and insert to the cameras. And then find DC cable to power on this camera. It will self-testing when it's powered on the first time. Let's see the front. Here is a green indicator light. That means it is powered on. First, Angela will use our IR remote controller to control the zoom in and the zoom out. Let's zoom in, zoom out. If you want to know more of these cameras, do you want to know the price? Contact me, Angela. I'm from WODWIN. Our website is wodwins.com. See you guys. Bye.